I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What's going on, man? What's up, brother? Man, never much, man. I've been watching you on the channel. Oh, yeah? Yeah, y'all got the thing looking good, man. It looks as good as it does on the video.
Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
Yeah, what you got running here, man?
Got 615, the DS18, the EXL XXs.
Yeah.
On currently just 3 of the KO8s.
Yeah.
Got to get my voltage up. We're gonna add a 4th recon down to dual 2.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do 0.67 strap.
Yeah. I bet it cut up that one.
Oh, it'll get down.
Yeah.
It does alright. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're asking me to ask if you right.
Catfish Billy's on. Trying to be prudent will get tossed even as trash. This morning that you said hallelujah.
You ain't better keep it all right.
What do you think, man?
Man, that thing, I bet you lose the windshield, you still a little bunch.
It's only a week old. I ain't got no
Yeah,
time on it.
I know this little new one, you know, on the video I said, I know it's got to be a new build.
It's new.
Yeah.
It's been, I started it, took a month and a half to get it through.
Pretty quick then.
Yeah, well, Jerry hit me with the Sundown show, and I'm like, damn, I got to get this thing going. But I've had a lot of help from him, a lot of help from my boys, you know.
Yeah, y'all got it good, looking good, man.
I appreciate it, man.
Where can they find y'all at? Your shop and everything.
Right, that's me right there, man.
Yes, sir. Y'all be sure to give them a follow. I'm gonna link the information down below. Y'all hit them up. Y'all see the work. We're gonna go around the outside and let y'all see the rest of it.
TikTok, Duck Ain't Loud.
Man, appreciate it.
Yeah, man.